If you're considering buying a drone, look no farther. This is the best GPS drone for the money, and speaking of money, do yourself a favor and buy the Fly More package, $599. I was on the fence and I was going to buy the $449, but after watching a lot of video reviews, I got the Fly More. The signal is strong and reliable, you can fly way out there past the point of line of sight, so don't do it. The 4K camera and gimbal, it's so much more than what most of us will need/ask for. Flight time is 20 to 30 minutes on a single battery, and if you bought the Fly More, you have 3 batteries. The bag and the battery charging bank, it's awesome too. Small and light, with everything you need all right there. As you can tell, I'm really happy with the DJI Mini 2, well worth the money for the amount of fun. Please fly responsibly, and don't ruin it for all of us. OMG. Love this thing. My wife hates it, because I spend more time using the drone than I should. 37 years old and every time I fly it, it's like being a kid again. Functionality, setup, maneuverability, and usage are all very easy and simple. Picture and video quality are insane. This thing is a beast for being 249 grams. If you're new to drones, this is your best bet for the money. Wonderful drone, works even in extreme cold weather and shoots video in 4K quality. I've been using it for 3 weeks and it's fantastic. The only downside of this drone is its battery. I suggest to buy another battery and keep it charged because you can only fly for 25 minutes. The DJI Mini 2 is an excellent drone. Easy to learn and fly. Only issue I have found with the poor quality of the chain of the case. I'm a beginner, so I haven't explored all of its capabilities yet. But very easy to fly and great video and pictures. While using it outdoors, once it hit low battery, it safely returned home and landed. Can't wait to explore this drone some more. This is my 3rd drone after returning 2 previous ones, different brand. This drone is excellent and maintains itself amazingly in high winds. Be sure to set the home feature or it could go missing. It went out of view a few times, but was able to bring it back home. Battery life lasts a good 30 minutes, or so as they say. I settled for another larger drone. Once the Mini 2 came out, I took a look at all the review videos. I was still in between the Air 2 and Mini 2. I love the zoom feature and DJI backing on the Air 2, but what pushed me towards the Mini 2 is the portability of it. The motors are way more powerful than the original. Zoom feature / camera quality is an upgrade and OcuSync 2.0 make this an unbelievable drone. I love the fact that in no time I can hand launch this, record / photograph what I need and hand catch it in no time. The fact that it is under 250G makes it easier to fly in most other countries outside of the US. In the US, you do not need to register it with the FAA. Fantastic product. Every aspect I've run into has had a real level of thought and care, from the ease of use to how quickly you can break it out and get it into the air. More responsive and maneuverable than you'll believe. I was actually amazed. I really can't come up with any cons, Maybe I wish the zoom was a bit better, but the sensor and camera are so on point I don't even think I can go there.